Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to download Destiny 2 on your iPhone. To download the Destiny 2 application on your iPhone, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile data and tap Open App Store. Go to the search box and type in Destiny 2. Look for the Destiny 2 companion application from Bungie Inc. and then tap on the Get or the Download button to start downloading Destiny 2 on your iOS device. Wait for a few minutes and you will then be able to get it right on your device quickly. Destiny 2 is an open-world multiplayer first-person shooter developed by Bungie. Once the application is downloaded, click on the Open button. Allow necessary permissions such as notification and click on I accept at the bottom of the screen and follow through the instructions to sign into your account. And that is how you will be able to download the Destiny 2 application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.